Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zscaler Cloud Security, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Zscaler Cloud Security, begin by logging into your Zscaler admin portal. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Administration tab on the top menu. From here, select the Identity section to set up user authentication. Choose your preferred method of authentication, such as SAML or Active Directory. Enter the required details for the chosen authentication method, including your identity provider settings. Next, head to the Policies tab to configure security settings for your organization. Select Access Control to define user access policies. Here, you can create rules based on user groups or domains. Specify the conditions under which users can access web content or applications. After configuring the access control policies, proceed to the SSL Inspections section. Enable SSL inspection to ensure all HTTPS traffic is scanned. Configure the inspection settings according to your compliance and security requirements. Next, navigate to the firewall settings to establish your organization's firewall rules. Create rules for inbound and outbound traffic to protect your network. Once your rules are set, move to the Reports section to enable monitoring. Select the types of reports you wish to generate for user activity and threats. Set up scheduled reports to keep stakeholders informed about security status. Finally, review all your configurations before saving any changes. Once reviewed, click on the Save or Apply button to finalize your settings. Your Zscaler Cloud Security configuration is now set up and ready to protect your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.